I built Stono really to solve my own problems. I didn't want to overbuild and be in a long, drawn-out outdoor construction process. I wasn't looking for the cheapest option, so I set out to build something right in between. When people start looking at outdoor kitchens, the first thing they realize is how unclear the process really is, and that comes with a trade-off. Typically, they're talking to a contractor and it's going to be a long construction phase and a long drawn-out build, or they're settling for something that may not last more than 1 or 2 seasons. There really isn't something in between, and that's what Stono is. Because most of the work is done up front and fabricated at the plant, you're essentially just receiving and placing your outdoor kitchen. That's a very different experience from a long, drawn-out construction build. The structure, alignment, and fit are resolved before it ever arrives. It's built from durable marine-grade aluminum, finished with an architectural-grade powder coating, and assembled with stainless hardware. Materials chosen for long-term outdoor performance. Then it's delivered, ready for installation. We're super proud of our outdoor kitchens because we're building a product that allows people to gather and come together in the backyard and use their space like they haven't used it before. We built Stono Outdoor Living for people who want to build this once and want to build it the right way. It's a smarter, simpler way to build an outdoor kitchen.